Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pulse YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install XAMPP on Windows and create your first static web page too. We will go through step by step, so this whole setup will be very easy. First of all, open Google Chrome. Write in the search bar XAMPP download. I have already searched it and click this here, download XAMPP. When you will open it, let's do it again. You will open it. A page will appear like this. You can see the version. We will download the latest version, download 64 bits, and just wait for a couple of minutes, actually seconds. It will automatically start downloading. There you can see one download in progress. XAMPP is downloading. It's only 150 MB, so it shouldn't take long. And well, the XAMPP is now downloaded. Let's go into downloads. See here, the XAMPP is downloaded. Let's open it. Just ignore this warning. Okay, next. Keep all these checked. Do not uncheck anything. Keep the default directory. Next, next, next. And now it's installing. Depending upon your system configuration, system specification, it can take different time. And well guys, our XAMPP has been successfully installed. Just uncheck this for now. Finish. Open the start menu. Here you can see XAMPP control panel is created. Just right click it and open it as administrator. Now this is our XAMPP control panel. There are different modules here, but only the first two modules, Apache and MySQL, it will be required for now. So we will start these two modules. Other modules are also used, but for now these two modules are necessary for us. So now these both are on. So this was pretty much it for the installation of XAMPP on your systems. So now we'll move towards the next part, which is the creation of a static web page. I already have a code of a web page here. It's a standard HTML code. You can create any type of code you want. So just convert it into a HTML file now. And well, here is our web page. Now in order to host it on our local server, we will copy this and we will go into XAMPP, our folder which is created here. This folder htdocs here, this is the main folder here. We will open it here. Basically this is the folder where all our websites will be present, which we have hosted on our local server. Any website, any web page which you want to host on your local server will be in this folder. We'll just paste our web page here. For better organization, we will create a folder. Let's name it my first web page. Yeah, it's fine. My first web page. You can name it anything and just move it into this. So now our static web page is here. Now go to your Chrome and open it. Write in the search bar local host. Remember this, localhost slash. Now we will write the name of the folder which we have created. My first web page. Now we will write the name of the HTML file inside that folder. Its name was web page, and also write the extension, right? What type of web page it is, PHP, HTML. So in our case it's HTML dot HTML. So now just press enter, and there you can see hello world. This is my first static page on localhost. Our static web page has been successfully hosted on our local server. So guys, this was pretty much it for the video. I hope everything was pretty clear, and you guys got all that, and you successfully installed the XAMPP on your systems. If there is any query, you can ask that query in the comments. I will try my best to answer it. And well, thank you for watching the video. So we will actually, in the next video, we will discuss that how can we create a database on XAMPP, and then connect that database with our web page, website, you know, connecting a database with our web page or website. We will do that in the next video. So there was only one link in this video, the XAMPP download one. I will put that link into the description. You can also access it from there. So that was pretty much it from my side. Thank you again for watching the video. Bye.